Tony D up in the house, taking you for a walk through my '89 Mustang GT. Bought it a couple years ago. This car was truly for the junkyard. I mean, I'll show some pictures and stuff, but I mean, it was rotted, a lot of welding, a lot of body work straightening it out. All kinds of damage to it. But been building it up. Little streetcar. I get a lot of questions, so I figured we do a walk around and whatnot. Maybe I'm thinking about doing some YouTube videos along the way, showing you how I do things. And I used to have a motorcycle shop, Mirror Image Custom Cycles, up in New Jersey. From there was Redline Cycles with Roman Levine. Yeah, I've been fabricating for a long time. So I'm home, chilling at the house. Decided to make a little video for you guys, get caught up on the progress here. I'm working on these wheel wells right now. Just finally got the brakes done and stuff. So, see the bodywork came out real nice. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more video like this on the progress of this car, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. There's a bunch of freestyle motorcycle videos on there. Check those out too. That's like what I used to do. I'm here now in the garage chilling with you guys, working on my hot rod, getting ready for the summertime. We'll see what happens, all right? So if you want to take that journey along with me, hit that subscribe button. That'll like really mean a lot to me, all right?